Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to split an Excel worksheet into multiple sheets based on a column. The first step is to download the free splitter add-in from our website. You can find the link in the description. Now, click the splitter icon on the ribbon and start the tool. OK, now you have to select the range you want to split. Select the entire range. Choose the column based on which the splitting will occur. In this case, we want to group the data by region to create reports for each region. Choose the output type. In this case, we want to create new tabs in this workbook. If you want to split the worksheet into new files in a directory, check this option. In Step 4, you can customize the formatting. You can choose one or more options if you want to convert the range into tables, or keep the formula references and the format. Click the Split button to split the worksheet into multiple worksheets based on a column value. The result looks great. Now, we have 3 new worksheets: West, Central, and East. Thanks for being with us today. For more content, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.